Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for everyday life. Today we have something special for you. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a classic 4-in-hand knot. This is one of the most timeless and versatile knots you can learn. This knot is perfect whether you're heading to the office, attending a wedding, or just want to look sharp for a night out. It's a staple in any gentleman's wardrobe. It's versatile and super easy to learn. So let's get started. Grab your favorite tie and follow along with me. First, drape the tie around your neck. Make sure the wide end is on your right side and the narrow end is on your left. Make sure the wide end extends about 12 inches below the narrow end. This length is crucial for ensuring the knot looks just right. Got it? Great. Now take the wide end and cross it over the narrow end to your left. This is the first step in forming the base of your knot. Simple enough, right? Next, wrap the wide end under the narrow end and bring it to your right. This wrapping motion is what gives the knot its structure. Okay, now for the next step, pay close attention here. Bring the wide end across the front to the left again. This creates a horizontal band across the front of the knot. You're almost there. Pull the wide end up through the loop around your neck. This step is crucial for tightening the knot and giving it its final shape. And now the final part. This is where it all comes together. Pass the wide end down through the front loop of the knot. This secures the knot in place. Hold the narrow end and slide the knot up to adjust it snugly to your collar. Make sure it's centered and looks neat. And there you have it, a perfectly tied 4-in-hand knot. Want a sharper look? Here's a quick tip. When tightening the knot, pinch the tie just below the knot to create a small dimple. This adds an extra touch of style and sophistication. This dimple not only looks stylish, but also shows that you've put some thought into your appearance. Also, make sure your tie ends at your belt line. This is the ideal length for a polished look. So, what do you think? Did you find this tutorial helpful? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you like to learn a different knot, like the half Windsor or full Windsor? Each knot has its own unique style and occasion. Or maybe you need tips for specific occasions. Whether it's a job interview, a formal event, or a casual outing, we've got you covered. Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create content that's tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with your friends. See you next time.